question that we've been asked is what does uLaw do for criminal law in terms of forms, and how can I do something special with them? So obviously I've created a special matter here for criminal law, right? And in the criminal law, under additional parties, you can go and add things like applicant, co-accused, representative opponent. You can also add surety. Like for example, I'm going to make up now. Let's say someone is giving you a surety. So let's go and choose surety, and let's choose say Adam Brown, as the person who's actually giving the surety. You can hit the save button. So if you, the matter is not active here, so I'm just going to make it active for a second. Then I will basically go ahead and re-add my surety. There you go. So Adam Brown. I'm going to change the additional party, and make it surety, and hit the save button. Once I do that, now when I go to court forms and I basically click on criminal, any form that has surety would be filled. Like for example, let's say this COVID-19 form that we have for bail, consent for bail. The minute I do that, what uLaw will do is it knows all the fields, so it'll start filling them. So let's see what it's successful in filling. So in this case, basically uLaw has already filled Jonathan Farm, his birth date, his address is being filled, and then if you go down, Adam Brown, who's a surety, is being filled here as well, right? All his phone number, everything is being filled. And then the counsel information, Roger Moore, your information is all being filled as well. So pretty much you just need to put some date and sign. So we kind of are filling all the information. So for criminal law, in additional parties, you can use applicant, co-accused, representative, and surety as well. We also have some very specific Ontario criminal forms, for surety, like for example, Hamilton surety background check. We have that form. So if you download that, you'll now see that we'll take that form and we'll fill in as much as what we know, so you can take it from the rest. So as you see here, the date, yourself, Jonathan's information, the surety information is there, and you just need to sign it. So uLaw definitely can take the time that you waste away from you on filling all these forms. So when you use additional parties, make sure that you fill in the right ones, add these people to your contacts, so that way they can be linked to this matter and take it from there.